Think riding a MotoGP bike is just like riding a normal motorcycle? Not even close. First of all, you can't simply press a button and start it. These machines don't come with self-start or kickstart systems. They need a special external starter just to fire up the engine. And even after that, taking it on regular roads would be a nightmare. MotoGP bikes are designed only for racetracks at insane speeds, not for traffic or city streets. Their tires need extreme heat and high speed for proper grip, so at normal speeds, they feel unstable and super hard to handle. Instead of an easy ride, you'd probably end up struggling to keep the bike balanced.